Hello everyone, welcome back. Next exercise in the basic algorithm scripting series mutations. In this task, we have to return true if a string in the first element, that is this one, contains all the letters of the string in the second element. If all the letters are present in the first element of the array of the second element, then we have to return true. Then first let arr1, it will contain all the elements, all the letters of the element, first element. So arr 0 dot, it, let convert it into lowercase to match the strings, and then we will split it to convert into array of letters. Likewise, for array 2, only change will be, it will be for the second element. Now we will run the loop for let I equal to 0, I less than arr 2 dot length I plus plus, and afterward if arr 1 dot index of arr 2 I is greater than equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0, then instead of this less than 0, then return false, else return true. Let's run the tests, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.